Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and these are the OnePlus USB Type-C Bullet earphones. Now, after my last video on USB headphones from Google, I got a little bit of backlash in regards to not necessarily giving my overall opinion. Well, these are now out, they are way better, so let's get into the video. But first, a quick word from PDFelement by Wondershare, the sponsor of today's video. So PDFelement is an all-in-one solution to help create, manage, edit, and also protect your PDFs. It's a super powerful tool that allows you to add text, images, links, and so much more to all of your documents. You also have some great tools to allow you to highlight text, add comments into a shared document, and also add your signature should you need to digitally sign something. There's a great option to password protect your documents if they hold any private or potentially valuable information, and you can have this for simply opening the document or actually editing the document itself. There's also a built-in converter allowing you to convert any PDF into PowerPoint or a Word and Excel document, just to name a few. And right now you can get up to 75% off PDFelement with the link in the description down below, and this is for their great Black Friday deal that they've currently got on from now until November 26th. So if you're someone that works on PDFs daily and is looking for an all-in-one solution, or a student trying to get ahead in the game, PDFelement is definitely for you. Now, back to the video. So first off, onto the unboxing, and keep in mind guys, these are £15 here in the UK or $20 in the US. So we've got a really nice two-tone matte black design here on the actual box itself, and then you do have a little insert inside the box as well, and this is going to hold your separate ear tips as well, so that you can get the perfect fit for your ear. You do also have some documentation just telling you exactly what the buttons do on the inline remote, but it's quite self-explanatory. Inside the box there's a really nice touch with the Never Settle branding and also Best Buds for Life, which I found quite amusing. And the box can also be used to transport your device as well. As you can see here, the Google Pixel XL2 fits perfectly inside the box for these headphones, but in all seriousness, don't forget to subscribe to Copper vs Glass for some more awesome content. The headphone construction itself is super sturdy, they're made completely out of metal, and again, considering the price tag, they do feel a lot more premium than the £15 price tag would have you believe. There's also a built-in line remote as well for volume up, down, play and pause, and you can also long press the center button to access the Google Assistant. I however haven't found any way to actually skip forwards or backwards on tracks, so if you know, let me know in the description below. But the main draw for these headphones for me is definitely the USB C connection. Yes, a lot of devices have gone away with the headphone jack now, but my Google Pixel 2 for example has a USB C on the bottom, and these work extremely good. Now the connection itself is very solid. A lot of people have complained that with USB C in general, the cable itself or the connection can get a little bit wobbly over time, but I've had no issues with these headphones at all. I've been using them for just over a week now, and I've been putting them in and out of a bag, a pocket, and it's not made any difference to the connection. It's extremely solid. The headphones themselves also come with a built-in DAC, which is a digital to analog converter to get you that high-res audio support. They're also extremely good for phone calls. I've had no issues at all. Sometimes I've had a phone call and not told anyone that I'm using headphones, and they can't tell at all, which is really awesome, and again that's mainly due to that high quality sound. And the microphone itself is also quite good. The fit of the headphones is also extremely nice and way better than what Google are offering with their USB C headphones, so again these are going to fit a variety of different people. But none of that really makes too much difference if they don't actually sound good, and I was pleasantly surprised again considering the price tag. The soundstage is very warm, very bassy, so again if you do listen to a lot of bass heavy music you are definitely going to love these. However, if you're listening to more acoustic or vocal style music, then these may not be for you. If you're listening to things like podcasts, it does sound okay, but the main reason why you want to pick up these headphones is for that loud bass, or if you're into rock music, heavy metal, things like that, that's also going to sound really nice on these headphones. And for me, I listen to a ton of different music on Spotify, so it was good to see that these headphones held up really well, and again there was maybe one or two tracks that didn't necessarily sound great, but even the songs that don't sound good sound better than they did on Google's headphones. So that's something to keep in mind. And that's going to do it guys for this video. Now the link to the OnePlus headphones is going to be in the description down below, and I would definitely recommend picking them up at the price tag, and keep an eye out for Black Friday as well, as they may even go down a little bit more also. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and if you've got any questions or comments, hit me up in the comments section or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. For more great content, don't forget to subscribe, and also once you are subscribed, hit that notification bell so that you're notified anytime that I post a new video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And also just quick, I was on Spotify shuffling through my music, and then all of a sudden a video started playing, and I've never really had that before. So yeah, if you guys know what this is, let me know in the comments down below, and again, thanks for watching.